So what are the major laws or acts that prohibit or cover discriminatory practices within the workplace? Okay, the ones we'll talk about are the most notable. First is the Civil Rights Act of 1964, commonly known as Title VII. Okay, and this is the broadest employment discrimination law, and it applies to numerous types of consideration, and it protects employees from discrimination based on race, sex, color, religion, and national origin. Now, there are other acts or laws that are still on the books that are made to address unique situations of discrimination against employees. One is an old law, the original Civil Rights Act, passed in 1866, commonly referred to as the 1981 Act. It focuses on discrimination based upon race. So again, it can stand, or an action under 1981 Act can stand in addition to or along with Title VII. We have the Age Discrimination in Employment Act because age is not protected under Title VII. This is a unique act that prohibits discrimination against employees that are 40 years old or older. We have the Americans with Disabilities Act that prohibits discrimination against employees based on any disability, any qualified disability that they may have. And it applies uniquely in the business context that individuals opening up an establishment or place of business to the public must accommodate individuals that potential patrons of their organizations who have disabilities. So this could include putting access ramps to the location or widening doors or bathroom doors, etc. Another one is the Genetic Information and Non-Discrimination Act, or GINA. This is generally used to prohibit discrimination based on somebody's genetic information, their history or lineage that could relate to race or national origin, or any genetic conditions or diseases that they may have within their history or lineage. And then lastly, the Uniformed Service Members Employment and Reemployment Act, or USERA. And this is used to prevent discrimination against uniformed service members, members of the military, or in certain cases, Homeland Security members, from discrimination when they are called up for active duty, or not active duty, but routine service requirements. So these are the major acts or laws that we're going to discuss throughout this video sequence, and we'll discuss each in more detail. We'll provide the context for which each applies, and we'll give a general description of the requirements or rules associated with each.